Will it ever start?
Slow.
Nothing could go wrong.
I'm showing my loyalty to Diesel.
Oh, a challenge.
This mountain board's a lot of fun, but you know what? It'd be even more fun if these guys didn't have to push me. Bye, in this episode, you're gonna see Yair, Iram, and Alan give that mountain board all sorts of upgrades. In fact, a little birdie told me that Heavy D even wants to put a new...
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You can't say that!
You're gonna have to stick around, man.
Guess you're gonna stick around to the end. See you there. Hi-ho, Silver, away!
I gotta figure out what's going on here because there's pieces disassembled on it. And I gotta figure out, okay, it looked like battery, fuel to one injector. Ooh, diesel. I was told this would be the throttle, but it doesn't seem to be moving. That's gotta be a compression release. Definitely air intake. Well, I guess the one thing I ought to do is see if I can get it to fire with ether. I gotta be careful on this.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna might kick on me. I think there's something wrong with the engine. I'm looking at the lobe that turns to push the plunger. So that looks like it's okay in there. We'll go up onto the bench and take this thing apart and figure out what we got. There's a fairly complex little fuel pump here, and I got to figure out how it goes together. Guess it goes out this way. Just trying to figure out how it works. I don't see any seals.
What do you think, Yair?
Be careful! Please, don't take the parts until they're right where I have them. So what I'm going to do, I want to see if I can get enough pressure to push the check valve up. It's pushing up, but it's not doing very good at it.
I think you have to do it to the beat of Staying Alive.
Staying alive, staying alive. You can't tell by the way I...
Maybe now with putting this oil in it, it will get enough that it'll start to pump.
Yeah, like prime it out here and then...
Well, we can even prime it there. Instead of putting diesel fuel, we'll just put ATF.
Sure.
Oh, like transmission fluid?
Transmission fluid, yeah.
That works as fuel?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just using
I didn't know if that was another wizard trick that I didn't know about. And the wizard scrolls.
It is a wizard trick.
This kind of stuff pretty typical for small engine stuff.
I haven't worked with small diesel, only
Neither have
gas.
I. Wasn't this with diesel?
This is diesel. I've only worked on gas ones. This is my first little diesel. Well, it's doing a little bit of
Seems like you're
pumping.
getting pressure.
You could be getting way more than that.
Moment of truth? Moment of truth?
Yeah. I think the pump is actually wore out. Where's the ether? Give it a little bit of ether too.
Right there.
Boom! Oh.
You alright, man?
Yeah, I feel all up in my arms.
Do you think the pull start would be better?
I don't know how you can do it with a pull start if that thing's kicking that hard.
No, it's gonna be better.
I don't know if we have enough of this. It gets down to the point I may have to go down and find some more of this rope. There we go. I guess he pulled it. He had it set up this way.
Think she'll run?
It's either gonna run or it's gonna catch fire and I'll be all on flaming. Oh, cool. Well, it's running, but it doesn't want to stop.
It doesn't want to stop. How you stop it by pushing the throttle back?
I tried and it didn't do anything.
No?
Nothing at all. So I'm wondering if I got my little thingy in that little groove where it's outside the groove. I'll probably have to pull that piece out again.
I noticed there's a bunch of smoke in the air. Did you almost get it started?
It was actually running and I had to
Really?
I had to pull the fuel line to stop it. Smoke away all your troubles.
All your troubles are gone, man. I don't think it's good for you.
It's really not.
This stuff.
I just think that this wasn't in where it was supposed to be. I'm not 100% certain on it, but this time I'm 100% certain.
So when it starts running, does it start moving?
No, you gotta pull.
No, we
throttle.
don't,
Oh.
we don't have the belts on it at the
Okay.
moment.
It's just because all you guys are here.
You want to give it some mouth to mouth?
Give me a shot at her. My girlfriend here.
Wipe it out there, okay.
You're just blowing in?
Yeah, just press.
Yeah, don't suck. That's working. That's working.
My lung capacity is fantastic.
Yeah, you're good at blowing.
That's a nice bird. That's a major bird.
Got him.
Burnt. Hard.
Okay, let's do it some more and get the pressurized.
All right, chill. Where's my money?
Come on, Cole. Where's that lung capacity you're talking about?
Wait.
All right, we're gonna do with a pull start. I did realize that this thing has that auto release.
You got this. We've done it once before.
Smoke this up, Alan.
Smoke this pig.
Doing the blow on it?
No.
Yeah, put your mouth on it.
Go ahead, crank it.
It just
It works. You just gotta ride it like this and you go. Pss, pss, pss. You wanna run it with that? Yeah. Pulling out the
you know
pump.
what? Got a really good idea.
Why did you do that?
We'll get Doug's little air pressure thing, a little nozzle with the air line here. We can break it free, the line over here. We'll just put some really good back pressure on it. That's a good idea.
I like the back pressure word of this guy.
Okay.
Wait there.
All right.
Will it ever start?
All right.
You ride it on?
Sure, why not?
Alan's gonna give her a rip. Wizard on the mountain.
Yeah. We got the diesel fuel, the antithesis of gasoline. Yep. We lost prime.
Several days later.
You see, this thing is just not working. We don't want it. All right, problem. Diesel engine, can't get it to prime. It's conked out. We pulled this thing off. We're gonna go with something better. We're gonna grab ourselves a gasoline engine. We're gonna stick it on and then take these parts that we need off of it, put it on the other one, and we're gonna get that one rolling.
The next day.
Well, I just finished taking this drive assembly off our old diesel and mounting it onto our gasoline engine. Required a little bit of modifications on this plate right here on this because this drive assembly would hit into it. But luckily it only took a little bit of grinding to grind off basically a lug. But everything seems to be fitting up pretty nicely on it. Just checking out all the alignments on the drive, and everything looks good. So now Iram is working on an adapter plate for the base to be able to mount it back onto the machine right there. I am going to be looking at how I'm going to rewire the throttle controls and all this linkage stuff.
Is the plates, Migo?
Yeah, working on the spacers. In order to have in the same position, We need to do some spacer plates to have it right there. Easy peasy.
So what do you got to do here for the throttle controls?
Well, it would have been nice if I could have connected it somewhere like this, but it actually operates on this engine this way because this is more throttle, less throttle, which means this linkage has got to go in this way, just like this. Not too bad. I mean, I'm just gonna probably have to make some bracket just to sort of hold that. I gotta go 0.31 inches more, which is this distance, but I can't really get this in there. I find something about the same width, which this bolt is basically it. So I have a mark on the shaft, right where I need to move this.
It's turned into a little project last Friday that has turned into a 3-day project now. What are you trying to fix now?
This needs to go this way to that little line there.
Oh, really?
According to Iram's new design. And I chose correctly the first time.
Ah, nice.
I'm thinking that there's more Allen heads down in this hole.
There's more of you down there?
Yes, more of me.
Got it fixed.
So we're ready for the second test. So yeah, second test.
Feels weird putting gas in this thing now. It's been diesel its whole life. Fire this bad boy up. Choke. Oh, it's got a big cam in her, huh? All right. Keep in mind, I've never gone faster than like 3 miles an hour on this thing, and I'm hoping that I'm able to get more out of it from this new engine. That's actually kind of what I expected out of this thing early on, but we never got. Oh, challenge. I'm gonna try an obstacle here.
Try that, Dave!
I don't know. Bring it down a little bit. That looks like I'm getting high centered. They're getting crazy over here with the obstacles. It's running really well. Cheap little Harbor Freight engine, got lots of power. Not going anywhere too fast, but that can all be adjusted. Oh, a teeter-totter. Time to put it in the dirt. We might be pushing it now. Update for you on the mountain board. It's kind of proving itself to be a lot of fun. And capable too. Like, it climbed up over those pallets and stuff in the parking lot very comfortably. The plan now is to get rid of these Mickey Mouse tracks and put some Polaris ATV tracks on it. We're gonna replace the drive lines with some better like CD joints. Probably gonna try to adjust the clutch, tune that a little bit, just because I don't know if, like, we were already kind of pushing the max capability of this thing with these little tracks. Bigger tracks gonna rob more power, but I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get a little more power just by adjusting the clutch. If anybody knows much about electrifying things like this, basically I'm gonna buy like a scooter drivetrain and drop it in here. So any input, advice would be awesome. Let me know what you guys think. And let's see where this thing goes.
Good spot at this point.
Or he could just drive it in there.
Never.
I'm showing my loyalty to Diesel.
Only that door was open.
We'll ram right through it.
Ooh, a penny.
It's not face up, don't grab it. Bad luck.
Not worth it.
Here's not heads up, you don't grab it?
Yeah, it's the rules.
Alright.
Unless you're a
You already
tails up
grabbed
guy.
it.
Well,
It's in your possession.
here, hold on.
Convenient. Oh, hey, you're still watching. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. What do you want to comment?
Comment on Alex app.
Thank you. Or, that's really rude of you to say. Whatever you said, we appreciate the comment. See you later.
Turn that way.